Health Minister Kweku Agyeman is urging members of advisory boards, heads of department, as well as teaching and non-teaching staff of the various health training institutions in the country to be accountable and transparent in matters that come before them. He noted that the sense of accountability and transparency are indispensable, which should be their guiding principles if they are to succeed. Kweku Agyeman was speaking at a workshop on corporate governance held in Wa. Joy News Upper West Regional Correspondent Rafiq Salam reports.
The three-day workshop, organized by the Ministry of Health in collaboration with the Christian Health Association of Ghana, CHAC, on corporate governance for cluster of health training institutions in the Upper West region, is to boost the capacity of nursing and midwifery training schools in the region. The purpose of the workshop is to elevate corporate governance and service delivery in health training institutions by enhancing the knowledge, skills, and abilities of different stakeholders involved. These stakeholders included the advisory board members, members of management, heads of departments, as well as teaching and non-teaching staff. Chief Executive Officer of the Christian Health Association of Ghana, Dr. Peter Kwame Yeboah, in a keynote address on behalf of the Minister for Health, Kweku Agyeman, urged the participants to act reasonably and fairly and comply with the rules and regulations of the country. He further urged them to be transparent and accountable in the roles given to them.
The sense of accountability is indispensable. It is either you perform or you perish. Non-performance of which imposes risk on you as a person, as a professional, or in your own capacity as a citizen of the country. But accountability has two components: the resources that you are given and the results that you are expected to produce. You are given the resource of trust, time, and position, and you are expected to support the school, produce formed, professionally trained healthcare professionals. So accountability is the first pillar of corporate governance. The second pillar is transparency. Transparency in the disclosure of our plans, programs, transparency in financial administration, transparency in the processes, rules and regulations in promoting the agenda of the school, in decision-making processes in the board. We will learn conflict of interest issues. We also learn how do we promote, project, and preserve the interests of the schools in such a way that our personal interests would rather be used to promote the public agenda.
Head of Legal Affairs Unit at the Ministry of Health, Dr. Alhaji Inuwa Yunus, cautioned that the law could either be a sword or a shield. He advised that sharpening the thoughts of the leadership of health training institutions is key to ensuring that the law is a shield rather than a sword against them. He encouraged them to operate in a manner that will shield them from avoidable legal action. Dr. Alhaji Inuwa noted that even if the rulings from such actions were given in their favor, they will still endure wasted time and resources, lost opportunities, and damage to their personal reputation and that of the institutions they represented. Head of Health Training Institutions at the Ministry of Health, Felix Nyante, further threw more light on the workshop.
The Ministry of Health has appointed advisory board members to help principals of the health training institutions to peacefully and prudently govern our training institutions. We realize that they have not been given any orientation of a sort. So they have tried in their own small ways to assist the principals in terms of governance to rule or govern the schools. This they have done in their own understanding, and the time has come that we give them some structured orientation so that they can perform their roles, their duties and responsibilities with much admiration.
Reporting for Joy News, Rafiq Salam. Wow.